Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Solvers. Here I want to find f of 18 where we know f of x is c times x squared plus 4 and we know f of 13 is 173. This is a good question for you if preparing for SAT or ACT, and the difficulty level of this question is easy to medium. Well, let's see how should we solve this. To find the answer, we just need to carefully check the function, and if we do that, then we'll see the function is an even function. But what is an even function? Well, if f is an even function, then it means whether we provide x as the input or minus x as the input, the answer is always the same, and it's f of x. Or it means f of x and f of minus x are equal. And if we have this condition, then we say the function is an even function. And we also have odd functions, and that means if we provide minus x as the input, the output would be equal to minus of f of x, okay? Then this is called odd function. And in our case, the function is even, and that's because the function is a quadratic equation and with only positive exponents, okay? We can also just double check that by replacing x by minus x and see what do we get. Okay, so if I replace x by minus x, then we would have f of minus x equals c times minus x squared plus 4, which is, well, here we know minus x squared equals to x squared, and this equals c times x squared plus 4, and this is f of x, okay? And this is telling us that the function is even. And when the function is even, then we can say f of 18 equals f of minus 18. And then, well, the problem solved, because we were looking for, among these choices, we were looking for which one actually is equal to f of 18, and that says f of minus 18. So this is the answer, okay? Another solution can be replacing x squared, because we have this, then we can replace x squared by 13, and from that we can get what is c, which is 1 in this case, and then try to find what is f of 18, and when we found that, then we should try to calculate f of 23, f of minus 18, f of 0, and f of 28, which is actually not the best way to find the answer.